Welcome back to our channel, where we take the guesswork out of shopping so you can spend your money wisely. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. Get ready to plug into the ultimate showdown between the EVGA 1000 GT and the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA 31050W. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The EVGA 1000 GT is priced at $189, which some reviewers felt was justified given its high quality and performance. Meanwhile, the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA 31050W comes in at a more wallet-friendly $169, making it a popular choice for those looking to save a few bucks. Reviewers appreciate the value it offers, especially for high-powered builds. So if you're looking to save a few bucks for that pizza you plan on ordering while gaming, Thermaltake takes this round. Next, let's charge into certifications. Both the EVGA 1000 GT and the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA 3 are 80 PLS Gold certified. Reviewers highlight the EVGA's impressive efficiency rating of 90% at 115 VAC and 92% at 220 to 240 VAC, making it a top choice for efficiency. The Toughpower GFA 3 is also fully compatible with Intel ATX 3.0 standards. So it's a tie here, folks. Efficiency is sexy, and both of these are bringing the heat. Now, let's talk modularity. The EVGA 1000 GT is fully modular, allowing you to connect only the cables you need, which many reviewers found convenient and flexible. The Toughpower GFA 3 is also fully modular with low-profile flat cables, appealing to users who prefer a neat setup. However, since EVGA's got that "reduce clutter" slogan going on, let's give them the win here. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Capacitors and protections. The EVGA 1000 GT boasts 100% Japanese capacitors and a full range of protections, which reviewers praise for enhancing reliability. The Toughpower GFA 3 has high amperage single plus 12 volts rail technology, but lacks some of the extensive protection features that EVGA offers. So EVGA takes this round too. They're like the superhero of power supplies, saving your system one voltage at a time. Last but not least, let's talk about fan technology. The EVGA 1000 GT features a fluid dynamic bearing fan and an ECO mode for ultra-quiet operation, which has been praised by reviewers for its silent operation. Meanwhile, the Toughpower GFA 3 doesn't specify its fan technology, leading to mixed reviews about its noise levels. So let's give this one to EVGA as well. If you want to keep your cool and your sanity, they've got your back. The overall sentiment from reviewers is quite positive for both products, with the EVGA 1000 GT standing out for its reliability, efficiency, and quiet operation. Reviewers consistently recommend it for high-end builds. On the other hand, the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA 3 is appreciated for its value and quiet operation, although some users reported issues with compatibility and support. So what's the verdict, folks? The EVGA 1000 GT comes out on top with its superior features and certifications, but the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA 3 is still a solid contender, especially if you're looking to save a few dollars. In the end, it comes down to your specific needs and budget. Do you want the creme de la creme or the budget-friendly option? Let us know in the comments below which power supply you'd choose and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our electrifying comparisons. Until next time, remember to buy smart and keep your rig powered up without blowing your budget.